Good morning, students. I am Amit Bindra from Springfields Public School. Today, we are going to start next exercise 13.2. First question. The question is a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere like this. This is hemisphere and the cone is standing on the hemisphere like this. Now, here the radii of the cone is 1 centimeter and height is equal to the radius. So, radii of the cone is 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to the radius. This height is equal to the radius, that is 1 centimeter. Now find the volume of solid in terms of pi. So first of all, we will write here height of conical part is equal to 1 centimeter. Radius of conical part is also 1 centimeter. Radius of hemispherical part, that is also 1 centimeter. Now we'll find the volume of this solid. So first of all, volume of solid will be found as volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now the volume of cone, you know, 1 upon 3 pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Because we have to find the answer in terms of pi, so we will take pi as it is. Radius is 1, height is 1. Similarly here radius is 1. So it will be 1 upon 3 pi and it will be 2 upon 3 pi. We'll take the LCM. Pi plus 2 pi, that is 3 pi upon 3. So pi centimeter cube is your answer. This is the first question. Now we'll move to the second question. Now second question, that Rachel, a engineering student, was asked to make a metal shape like a cylinder with two cones. Here this is a cylinder and two cones are attached to it like this. One cone is here, second cone is here. We have to find the volume of this figure, this solid, and here the diameter of the model is 3 meter. So if 3 centimeter, so the radius will be 3 upon 2 and the total length is given 12 centimeter. This length is given 12 centimeter, whereas the cone is given of height 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter. So the height of cone will be 12 minus 2 minus 4, that is 8 centimeter. So first of all, we'll write here height of each conical part, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Then height of cylinder will be 12 minus 2, that is 8 centimeter. Now radius of cylindrical part is equal to radius of conical part, that is equal to 3 upon 2 centimeter. Now we'll find the volume of air present in it. So volume will be the volume of two cones plus volume of cylinder. So here two cones, 2 multiply 1 by 3 pi r square h, and here volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Let us take this h1 and this as h2. So it will be 2 into 1 by 3 pi 3 by 2 square into 2 plus pi into 3 by 2 square into 8. So we'll simplify it. It will be 2 into 1 upon 3 pi 9 upon 4 into 2 plus pi into 9 upon 4 into 8. So it will be 3 pi plus 18 pi, that is 21 pi. In place of pi we'll put the value, so 66 centimeter cube is your answer. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of the volume. The shape of the gulab jamun is like this. So here in this shape, this part is given 1.4 centimeter, this radius, because diameter is 2.8 centimeter. Now the length, full length is given 5 centimeter. So the length of this cylindrical part will be 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4, that is 2.2 centimeter. So first of all we'll write radius of cylindrical part, that is equal to the radius of hemispherical part, which is equal to 2.8 upon 2, that is 1.4 centimeter. Then length of each hemispherical part, that is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore length of cylindrical part will be 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4, that is 2.2 centimeter. Next step is to find the volume of the gulab jamun. So the volume of gulab jamun is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 multiply volume of hemisphere. So here in this question it will be pi r1 square into h1 plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r2 square. So 22 by 7 into 1.4 square into 2.2, this is 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into 1.4 whole cube. We will take this as common. So 22 by 7, 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2 plus 5.6 upon 3. After simplification you will get 25.05 centimeter cube as the volume of gulab jamun. Now volume of 45 gulab jamuns. So it will be 45 into 25.05, which is approximately equal to 1127.25 centimeter cube. Now volume of sugar syrup, it is given 30% of the volume of gulab jamun, that is 30 upon 100 into 1127.25. After simplification 338.17 centimeter cube. This is your answer. This is the third question. Now we'll move to the fourth question. In fourth question, a pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of a cuboid, and that with 4 conical depression to hold pens. So first of all, it is given depth of conical depression, that is 1.4 centimeter. Now the radius 0.5 centimeter. So the volume of wood is equal to volume of cuboid minus 4 multiply volume of cone, because 4 conical depressions are given here. So volume of cuboid, that is LBH minus 4 multiply 1 by 3 pi r square h. So LBH 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is given 1 by 2 and height is 1.4. So it will be 525 minus 1.47, which is equal to 523.53 centimeter cube. So this is the fourth question. Now that's all for today. Rest of the questions we will do in next video. Thank you.